Right, another blast from the past. Look at this belter here. Now this is a Predator short bed Ward 7D lathe. Now, we're at Mellish Engineering Services. They've invested heavily over the last few years. They bought a load of Mills machines, some Star machines, things like that. They've actually just bought this one as well. They've only bought this in 2018. So, why the latest investment? Well, it's taken them 3 years to find it, but the machine itself, 1976. Why did they buy it? Well, let's just talk through some of the sort of parts of the machine. So here you've got a nice little turret, that'll index round, fantastic. You've got your tool holders here. But the main reason, oh sorry, before we get there, nice DRO, digital readout. I've worked that one out. They've had that themselves subsequently, but I'm going to have to put this down. The main reason they bought this machine is the bore here, so all the way through and all the way out here, 150 mil diameter all the way through. Now, it took them ages to find this, and yeah, as I said, bought it last year, looking for it for 3 years, because the modern machines won't have a through bore that size and that length. So another great blast from the past. That's Mellish Engineering Services, their Predator short bed Ward 7D.